Guys challenged me to build the 4x4 piston door. Then there was the 5x5 piston door, which, I'll be honest, was quite a lot trickier and also, by the look of things, quite a lot slower as well, but in the end, we managed to get there. Just about. Next up was the rather strange looking triangular piston door, which was actually very complicated, involving all sorts of piston mechanics and things, but we got there in the end. And now I have been challenged to build a circular piston door. Now this actually looks really cool, and I'm going to try my best to make it as compact as possible so that you can actually build it inside your bases.
And as if I hadn't already thrown enough positives at you, I've got another one coming, because this door is extremely compact and very simple to build. There really aren't many resources involved in doing this one, and the redstone is pretty bog standard. There's not any crazy things happening that blow the minds of many. It's just pretty simple stuff. So without further ado, let's get straight on with this tutorial. Nice and easy, this door is pretty versatile. But as far as I'm concerned, that is the end of today's video, folks. So if you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. But thanks for